Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Journey oil light. First, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within 10 seconds. This action signals the system. Finally, turn the ignition to the OFF position to complete the reset process. After performing the reset, start your engine to confirm the oil change light is off. If the light remains illuminated, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire reset procedure, paying close attention to each step. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get it just right and ensure the system registers the change. Resetting your oil light is important because it signals that your vehicle is due for a scheduled oil change. This helps you keep track of your maintenance schedule effectively. Ignoring the light can lead to missed service intervals, which is not ideal for your vehicle's long-term health. It's a simple but crucial step for proper care. If the oil light persists after several attempts to reset it, it's a good idea to seek professional help. A persistent light might indicate a different underlying issue that needs attention from a mechanic. You can also consult your owner's manual for additional troubleshooting tips specific to your vehicle model. Stay safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.